So, what exactly is ramen? It's a Japanese noodle soup that has transcended its humble beginnings to become a culinary masterpiece celebrated worldwide. It typically includes Chinese-style wheat noodles, served in a meat or fish-based broth. This comforting bowl is then seasoned and garnished with an array of diverse ingredients, such as soy sauce, miso, and an assortment of delectable toppings. Delving into the origins of ramen, we uncover a timeline steeped in mystery. Although the precise beginnings are unclear, it's widely accepted that ramen was introduced to Japan by Chinese immigrants around the late 19th century. Imagine a time when Chinese-style noodles started making waves in Japan, initially referred to as China soba, meaning Chinese soba. Fast forward to the aftermath of World War II, and we find a country revitalizing its spirit. During this period, the cheap wheat flour imported from the United States led to an explosion in the popularity of ramen. Small ramen carts and street vendors became a common sight across the country, marking the humble beginnings of this dish's journey to fame. By the 1980s, ramen had solidified its status in Japan's culinary landscape. It was no longer merely a cheap, convenient meal. Ramen chefs began to experiment, each trying to create the most flavorful broth, the best noodles, and the most unique combinations of toppings. Now, let's delve deeper into the components of ramen. Each part plays a unique role in the overall harmony of the bowl. The broth forms the heart of the dish. It can range from the clear, salt-based shio to the soy-infused shoyu, the hearty pork-based tonkatsu, and even the robust, nutty miso. Each broth offers a unique depth of flavor that defines the character of the bowl. The noodles are no less important. Ramen chefs take great pride in their noodles, which are carefully crafted to complement the broth. They vary in thickness, curliness, and firmness, and the perfect noodle differs from bowl to bowl, from chef to chef. The tear, or the seasoning, is the secret weapon of every ramen chef. It's what personalizes each bowl and gives it a unique signature. Finally, we have the toppings, vibrant ingredients that add contrast, texture, and color. From the classic chashu pork and bamboo shoots to the marinated, soft-boiled egg, these toppings enhance the ramen experience, making each slurp memorable. Interestingly, the style of ramen varies by region in Japan. Each region imparts its unique touch to the dish, reflecting local preferences and ingredients. From the creamy, rich tonkatsu ramen of Kyushu, the shoyu ramen of Tokyo, to the miso-based ramen of Hokkaido, the list is endless. Today, ramen has evolved beyond its traditional forms. Chefs across the globe experiment with local ingredients and flavors, shaping the dish to local tastes while maintaining its fundamental essence. In South Korea, we find the spicy ramyeon, while in the United States, fusion ramen like the Texas BBQ ramen or the vegan ramen have found a loyal following. Each variation is a testament to the universal appeal and adaptability of ramen. As we reach the end of our ramen journey, it becomes clear that this simple noodle dish is more than just a meal. It's a culinary adventure, a versatile canvas for creativity, and above all, comfort food that transcends borders. Whether it's from a street-side yatai in Japan or a trendy ramen bar in New York, each bowl of ramen carries with it a story, a tradition, and an invitation to savor and explore. So here's to ramen, a simple delight with infinite possibilities. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting videos.